The first area is focus on emotional contagion. First, as a leader, you must face your own drama, so to speak. Face your own feelings, resolve the internal conflict. So you must lead within to be able to lead others. The second thing is that you want to segregate pre-COVID challenges and post-COVID challenges. How so? Pre-COVID challenges, most of the challenges you can put the lid on top and deal with them on a different level of urgency and priority. Post-COVID should have your most attention, your focus, and your resources at this given time. A lot of people are having security issues. They're losing hope and confidence in the system, in the governments, in their managers, in their companies, and lots of people are going through very, very difficult times. So losing one's job is actually in the second level in Maslow hierarchy of needs. Second level, just over the physical level of basic needs: food, shelter, water, and air. So this brings people from top of the pyramid, whatever level you are, self-awareness, self-actualization, or self-esteem, into the second level of security. A few months ago, most people were, some people were planning their vacations, leisure time, and now people are just worried about just keeping their jobs if they are still lucky to have it. And actually going one step up in Maslow hierarchy of needs, which is social needs: belonging, family, friendship, and love, will help most of us deal and overcome the security issues. Connect with people. So the third area of focus is connect with people, resolve as many conflicts as you have, pre-COVID conflicts, relationships. You don't want to confront, you want to resolve the conflicts, and you want to understand, acknowledge, and nurture these relationships. Showing solidarity with the people, it will be something that people will remember for times to come. So emotional contagion, segregate your challenges to pre-COVID and post-COVID challenges, and choose to stand with the people. And I hope these three lessons you will resonate with, and they will make sense to you as they did to others.